What's the meaning of air miles? Air miles. Air miles. Air miles. Air miles. Air miles.
Air Miles is a rewards program that allows customers to earn points when they make purchases from participating retailers, which can then be redeemed for flights or other travel-related rewards. The program was first launched in the United Kingdom in 1988 and has since expanded to several other countries. Customers can earn air miles by using a credit or debit card linked to the program, as well as by shopping with participating retailers. The program offers a variety of rewards, including flights, hotel stays, car rentals, and travel insurance.